po kami sa ano. Ito po. Fairy style. Fairy style? Fiery kasi. Fiery.
Ah, fiery style.
Yeah, parang fire ata. It's a Mexican restaurant. Wow, sana all Mexican. Finally, those Spanish lessons paid off. Kasi, alam ko mag-Spanish, guys.
Wow.
Hindi ko pa alam. Okay guys, tapos ito na po yung pagkain namin. Wow, ang sarap naman. Sana all. Ayan po, meron po kaming pork ribs. Merong mga yung tawag dyan? Seafoods. Merong mga seafoods. Meron ding chips at saka kanin, of course. Ang sarap naman guys. Tara, let's kain na guys. Wow. Sarap talaga guys. I can't wait to eat it. Meron ding yellow rice. Mukhang orange guys yung yellow rice. Sarap talaga, kasi Mexican. Tara, let's na guys. Kain na.